This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. If you're a Mac user and you have the Google Drive for Desktop app and you want to stop syncing files, here's how to do it. So we're looking at Google Drive and I'm syncing one folder from my desktop, my Mac, to Google Drive, and I want to stop doing it. You can't do it from within Google Drive in a browser. You have to go to the system or the menu bar in your Mac at the very top and look for the app for the Google Drive desktop app and click on that. And then what you're going to do, you can see actually these are the files that are being synced. I want to stop this folder from being synced. Click on the little settings icon, more options, select preferences. And then what you're going to do, you'll see that my MacBook Pro, there's one folder, syncing files from one folder to computers, and this is the name of the folder. If you want to stop syncing it, click on that, and then deselect this checkbox that says Sync with Google Drive, and then press Done. And it says new files added to this will no longer be synced to Google Drive. Existing files will remain on your computer. So that what it's saying is that in Google Drive, if I drag a file to this particular folder in Google Drive, it will not be synced to they won't be synced back and forth. So I'm going to press Stop Syncing, and then press Save, and then it's giving me this prompt because it wants me to add another folder to sync. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.